Okay, so another thing, I think many of you are started coming back. That's good. So I saw one of the question which, please go on mute. Just make sure everybody is on mute so that we don't have disturbance for others. Okay, so it's very important we have that self-discipline. Okay, because it's all about our life. If you're not disciplined here, to make sure that we are quite good, you can't make other people also comfortable, right? So to make the best use of it, we got to maintain the self-discipline. Okay, so now, so I saw some of the questions which is coming in, people talking about, I can write it, but how do I implement it? Fine, so no, don't worry. So we're going to follow a structured approach. Okay, don't jump on. If you have any questions, that's okay, you can post it. I'll answer it at the right time, because this already, the entire program is designed in a fashion that how you can get started with this. Okay, so now the next point, thank you. I think now most of you guys are back. So I'm going to start at the exact timings, because I want to give the maximum out of it. Okay, because all of you guys are coming here and sitting, you guys are spending your time, so I want to give the maximum amount of it. Okay, so we're going to get started now. Now I saw that there are few people have just got, who have been added. Okay, so who might have actually, you might have actually few new people also. Okay, few new people will join. Very nice. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to get started for those new people, because when we started we had few numbers, and I see that numbers have actually increased. Okay, so numbers have increased, so there'll be no recording that will be shared outside this. So make sure you participate 100%. The more you're able to participate, the more you're able to get it. Okay, for the few people have joined newly, so I'm going to give you the invited maximum friends, but they do not know English. Don't worry, it's not about English. It's not about English, let me tell you. So whatever you're dealing, okay, I can tell you in between in Hindis, 1 or 2 lines, but I want to keep it. If you want to have a separate Hindi session, we can look at it. Okay, से हिंदी में भी ये भाषा का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हिंदी हो या इंग्लिश हो, ह्यूमैनिटी सेम होता है. जो भी एक्सरसाइज हम कर रहे हैं, द सेम एक्सरसाइज एप्लीकेबल टू एवरीबडी, सभी को भी ये हो सकता है. ठीक है, डोंट वरी, get them, don't make the language as the barrier. If this needs to be done in Hindi, we'll see how it can be done it, but this is exclusively meant for English for today's session. Okay, don't worry, ask them. If they are not able to understand anything, those who can understand the English, please you, they can actually teach them. Okay, that's not a problem. Fine. So I'm going to give a quick introduction, quick instructions for those people who have joined, because this is going to be the foundation. If you are not following this foundation, subsequent things you will not be able to understand. तो जो हम यहाँ कर रहे हैं, जो एक्सरसाइज हम कर रहे हैं, ये बहुत बहुत फंडामेंटली वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग है. अगर इसको हम सही तरह से नहीं करेंगे, देन बाद में जो भी हम कर रहे हैं, that will not be very very beneficial. Okay, so we are going to I'm going to give the instruction. This visualization exercise will spend additional 10 minutes for all those people who have joined new, but I strongly recommend for all those people who have done it first time to do it again. Okay, do it again, no problem. Many times I have seen that you get some new ideas also coming in. Okay, the first and foremost thing, here is the instructions. Okay, for those of you who have joined newly, welcome here. So we want to give you maximum benefit to all of you. So success is different for different people. Okay, success, let me repeat, success is different for different people. No two individual will have the same success. Okay, you will think that you are having the same success, maybe at a higher level, but individually when you look at it, there are just too many parameters. So the success is different for different people. Okay, now how do you define your success determines how successful you're going to be there. So I did a research of over 3 decades to figure out what is the most powerful way of figuring it out, what is the success for people. Because if you can solve this one thing, there'll be multiple things that can get unveiled. So your life will be so beautiful. You will desire the life that you want. Okay, so to do that, let me tell you one important quote. The dream life never exists. Dream life never exists. You got to create it. If you want a dream life to be there with you, you got to create the dream life. Okay, it never comes to you as it is. If you want to create it, you should have the clarity. You should clarity what does success mean to you. Okay, so for this powerful exercise, what we're going to do is, it's going to be a visualization exercise. So we are going to close our eyes, and then we will actually imagine that you are in the deathbed. Okay, you are in the deathbed, and you've got last few seconds or few minutes which is left over for your life to be there. And if you had to live your life in next few minutes, next few seconds, a few minutes, then you don't have any other choice. You have to go back and look at what you have done so far. When you go back and look at all those things, if you feel you have done everything that you wanted on the deathbed, and then you are dying, that means you are a successful person. It has nothing to do with money, or many times, it'll be, you'll be surprised to see the moment you start seeing the success, what is your success is. Okay, now when the success comes, money will also come. That's another important thing. Success, now what we are doing is we are chasing behind the money, so money never comes to you. You become successful, money will chase you, right? So that's the beauty of it. So that angle you got to shift. Okay, now what we are going to do is, we're going to close our eyes and do this visualization exercise for 2 minutes. And after this is done, 3 minutes you're going to write down this whatever you have visualized. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, 2 मिनट के लिए हमारे आंखों को बंद करेंगे और विजुअलाइज करेंगे नेक्स्ट फ्यू मिनट्स में हमारा लाइफ का अंतिम क्षण है. अगर हमारे लाइफ का अंतिम क्षण है, लास्ट 2 to 3 मिनट्स है, तो आप उस टाइम पे अगर अपने लाइफ को रिवाइंड करके देखेंगे तो आपको क्या क्या दिखेगा. अगर उस टाइम पे जब भी आपका जान निकलने वाला है एंड आपको लगता है कि हाँ मैंने जो भी करना है हमारे लाइफ में वो सब कुछ मैंने कर दिया है, तो आप पीसफुली इस दुनिया से निकल सकते हैं. तो आप सच्ची मायने में आप सक्सेसफुल पर्सन हो जाएंगे. ठीक है. अगर आपको लगता है नहीं मेरे को ये 1 2 3 4 5 6 मेरे को करना था, मैंने नहीं किया है, तो ये एक से ऐसा चीज है, आपको उसको लिखना पड़ेगा अपने पेपर के ऊपर, तभी ये होगा. दिस विल बिकम द सक्सेस ऑफ योर लाइफ. ओके, get your fans, whomever is there. Now afterwards, I don't want you to get anybody else because they will miss the context, because there's an end to end which is required. तो अगर आप starting समझ नहीं पाएंगे context, you are not able to understand, you'll not be able to get the maximum out of it. Okay, so we'll do the same visualization. Is the instructions clear for the new people? I know for old people it is done. For the new people, क्या जो भी मैं आपको बताया, आपको instructions clear है? So hum plus 5 says 5 friends are joining from first. Fantastic. And Gauri also says few new people will join. Thank you so much, Gauri. And yeah, so agar instructions clear hai, type in crystal. Remember, success comes when you're clear with the concept and you make the thing simple. Okay, success, I'll repeat, success comes when you're clear with the concept and you make the things clear, simple. Okay, clear. Okay, fantastic. I see a lot of people typing with crystal, and if you are not clear, please ask me. I am happy to repeat it. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. आप इसको पूरा समझने के बदले में आप कर रहे हैं. अगर समझे बिना आप कर रहे हैं, then this is not good actually. So I am happy to repeat it. Okay, I am here to help you out. I'm here to make sure you guys succeed in your life. So if you are not clear with anything, you got to ask, because we are sitting in a virtual environment. I can't see all of you. The only way I can make it out is by the different comments you're putting in. Okay, with the different comments that you're putting in. Okay, so I have not seen anything asking me to repeat it, so I'm going ahead. So मैं शुरू कर रहा हूँ with the instruction, with the assumption that we are clear. ठीक है? And the total, you're going to have 2 minutes for visualizing, another 3 minutes for writing. For those of you who have done it, please repeat it, because this time you're going to make it better. Okay, And the instruction is aapko deep breath, you have to take the deep breath, and once the deep breath is over, once you are actually doing it, then you can start, because then you will flush out all other thoughts from your mind. That is why you have to take the deep breath. Clear, Anna? Now your time starts now. 2 minutes. One minute over. Two minutes over. Stop. Stop, stop, stop. You got to stop when I'm telling this, because there is a specific reason, and you start writing it down. Okay, now your time starts. Start writing, writing down. You got 3 minutes to write. Write. You got to write it quick, fast, and you got to make sure that you're not stopping in between, because it is, the thoughts are like water flowing in. Because once you make this thought stop, to get the next thought, it will take time. So this has to be continuous all the time. Even if you're not getting any thought, write something, ABCD, doesn't matter. Monica, if you have just joined, I think you missed it. So basically I can tell you, for the other people are still writing, so meantime I can tell you one thing. So Monica, you can do this. Close your eyes and assume that you are actually, today is your last day on this planet Earth. You've got last few seconds or few minutes that is left over. Okay, so do a quick visualization exercise. Probably now you can do it for 1 minute. Okay, and visualize what would be those thoughts when you are in the deathbed. You have got last few minutes, a few seconds. What are the things that, if you look back, that you would wanted to be accomplished? Okay, just do this exercise for 1 minute. Just do the visualization, and after that, whatever comes to your brain, start writing. Okay, that's the thing. So we are looking at last 1 more minute. I'm repeating the instructions again and again so that you will not be, the key is not to think. You are already done with your thinking. You have to write. Thinking, we had different time. You did that. You keep writing it. If you're not getting anything, doesn't matter. Write ABCD 1 2 3 4. It doesn't matter. Don't stop. That is a key, because it is like water. when the water flows continuously, that is where the fun is. If you stop the water, again you want to open it, there is a break in your thought process. So that should never happen. So it has to continuously flow. If you're not getting the right things to be written, doesn't matter, right? ABCD 1 2 3 4 IE and but this and all doesn't matter. Write something. Okay, dump it. Stop. Your time is over. Okay. Now, what we just did was we just wrote what is our success, because many times what happens, we have been tuned with our environment, we have been tuned with the kind of education system that we are there, we have been tuned in lot of not not in the right way, in many angles. Okay, in many angles we have been tuned in the right thing. So we got to understand and align all our thought process in the right direction to become successful in our life. So how does it actually happens? Because just because somebody told that, okay, your success is, some of us, your friends have become engineer. Oh, you go and become engineer. How many of you had this challenge, right? How many of your parents have told, how many of you said that, okay, the other person is doing engineer, why don't you do this? Or you have personally felt one of your friend has gone for a medical or for a higher education, and that's why you want to do it. Don't know, maybe you don't know the rationale behind that, right? So let me illustrate with the story. Is this okay if I tell you the story? If you like the story, just type in story. Let me, because the more you are able to participate, the better you're going to get out of me. Okay, I've got a lot of knowledge which I want to share with you, but I want to share with you what you like actually, right? That is the key. It's not about how much I know, it's about what you want, and am I be able to share you what you want, right? So many of you are actually messaging me separately. Yeah, story. Okay, fantastic. So this story is about a person who will be having, who will be grown in a village environment, and he always sees that whenever his father does a puja, he used to, tie a, cat, and then only he will sit and do the actual puja, okay, with the god. And then over the period of time, what happened was, so that he understood that, okay, whenever you want to do the puja, so we have to tie the cat, then only you have to start the puja. So when he goes to a city, when he grows up and he wants to do the puja, now he's searching for the cat, because he has seen that, whenever his father or parents are doing the puja, all the time they used to tie the cat. Now he could not figure out. Now he gets into a problem. How do I perform the puja without tying the cat? Even though he doesn't have a cat, now he searches for a cat. He finds it. He pays some amount to that owner. You take 1,000 rupees. Give me for till the puja is done. He gets that cat. He ties it, and he performs the puja, and he gives it back. Now, what is the moral of the story, right? He never understood why his parents were tying that cat, right? Are you getting it? What I'm trying to say? Basically, the parents were tying that cat because when they're doing the puja, that cat should not come and disturb their, okay, the cat should not come and disturb their puja when they're doing it actually. So that is the part, that is the actual thing. But he never understood the meaning of this. So he thought if he has to do the puja, he has to tie the cat. Even though he doesn't have the cat, he has to find a cat, tie it, and then come it, right? So don't get into the trap of, looking at that particular cat. And even though the cat is not there, don't go and try to get that cat and tie it and then you start your puja. That doesn't work. Success is different for different people. I will keep repeating few things. If I'm repeating it more than once, and if you're not taken notes of it, that means that is a very important point. Okay. So I'll make sure this, I will actually follow this. So that gives you a hint that if you're not taken the notes, you got to take that notes. Okay. Now, the second important thing, why I want you to define your success, because we are running in a rat race. In the rat race, at morning to evening, we are very busy. We are super busy. We want to go to everywhere and we want to come back. And then you figure out that, there's nothing, that's happening. So end of the day, if you ask what is that you have done, anything normal like anybody else would have done. So what happens over the period of time? The whole life would end without knowing what you want in your life. And for most of you, this may be already happening in your life. You know, to be honest, right? I had the same problem even before I figured it out what was my success. If you are going through the same situation, type in I, type in I. Don't be hesitant to give that answer, because the more you are open, the more you can receive. Yeah. Yeah, I think Pritipal, Prakhar, Rumana, Veena, Satish, Shweta, Sunil, Bharat Reddy, Ashika, Rohit, Anita, Prasad, fantastic. You know, I see a lot of people are coming out with this, right? Now, why exactly I'm actually talking about this? Why I'm talking about the success? Because that is the fundamentals of anything and everything. Because if you want to be successful, if you want to attract money, if you want to attract, you know, wealth, if you want to be very, very happy, you know, I have seen people who have made $1 million and they're not happy. Okay. So it's not just the money is an outcome of what your success is. The first thing is you're going to make you successful, the money will follow you. So you got to be rewiring your brain. Let me tell you, we are not tuned to it. That is the biggest problem. The way we have been taught from our education system is not helping us to be successful. Okay. So now we have written all those things, right? Whatever you have written on your notebook, we are going to categorize this. Okay. We will organize this. Now, whatever you got is a raw thing. So in this raw, nothing can be achieved. But if you take the same raw content and if you organize it in a very structured fashion, then the magic will happen. Okay. So what I'm teaching you is something very, very powerful, very unique, and it is coming with over 3 decades of experience. Okay. So make sure you participate very, very actively, because it is not about me, it is about you. So during this COVID situation, even though a lot of negative things people are seeing, I see a very big positive thing. It's a time for us to reset ourselves and start with what is our success is. To start our success journey today, even though you're going to reset it as 0 today, you got to know what is your success. Otherwise, you can't start your journey. So that is why it is very, very powerful. So the next few minutes we are going to take, I'm going to give you 5 minutes, try it out. If you are able to figure it out, 5 minutes is sufficient, fine. Otherwise, I can give you some extra minutes, because this is very, very powerful. Now, the next instruction is, how do we classify this? I don't know. I just written everything, but I don't know how do I classify this is your next question, right? Is that correct? That's what you are thinking actually. So now what I'll do is I'll open a blank page on my screen, and I'm going to show you how exactly you can do this. See, you can just observe, you know, whatever I will be teaching, all of them will be very simple techniques, okay, but powerful. Okay. I'll tell you one more thing. Success comes when you are clear with the concept, when you keep the concept simple. Okay. Because when you are simple, you will implement it. If it is not simple, you will not implement it. Okay. It's very important. You got to understand. Is that everybody is able to see my screen, blank screen? If you can see a blank screen, type in blank screen. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Because I just wanted to make sure it is a blank one, right? Now, why we should start writing with a blank paper? Okay. Even though you have something written, you start with the blank paper, because when you have blank paper, it represents abundance. It represents abundance. You are going to write your thoughts on a paper which is abundant. So you have enough space for you to write, enough space for you to bring the thought process down. Okay. So when you're bringing this abundance, we are going to categorize this into 3 separate things. How would I do it? Okay. Now you're going to have it 3. So you're going to have these 2 actually. These 2 things you're going to have it. So you will categorize like this. See, don't worry if you are not perfect. Okay. It's okay to be perfect. In fact, it is good not to be perfect, because perfection is a state that you want to reach, that you will never be able to reach. But journey towards perfection is the what you're going to enjoy actually. Okay, so now this is what you're going to categorize this. In the blank paper, you're going to put 3 different dots. First one, you're going to write social vision. Okay, so what you will write in social vision, you want to help somebody who was actually having a problem. You want to actually donate for some charity, or you want to help some 100 people, 1,000 people, lakh people on your education, or anything which is not related to you, you are going to categorize under the social vision. Okay. The next one, what you're going to do is, I'll repeat this again. I'm going to tell you once. The second one will be your personal vision. Okay. Anything to do with you. How much time you want to spend with your family? How much time you want to, take out your time for learning? All these things will come here. Okay. The third one will be your professional vision. You'll be surprised to see this approach. Don't worry, I'll explain the rationale behind it. So Chavan sir, please watch the time, and as soon as the time for the break is coming, please let us know, and I'll stop it and I'll give the break. Okay. So the same thing I'm going to explain in Hindi. अभी हम क्या करना चाह रहे हैं, आपने अभी तक जो किया है, आपने अपने दिमाग में जो भी आया है, आपने अपने पेपर में ऑलरेडी लिख चुके हैं. ओके, आपने पेपर में लिख चुके हैं. तो क्या करना चाहिए, अगर पेपर में ऑलरेडी लिख चुके हैं तो उसको हमें ऑर्गेनाइज करना चाहिए, बिकॉज वो तो रॉ है. जो भी चीज रॉ होती है उसका वैल्यू नहीं होता है. जब सेम डेटा वैल्यूज को आप ऑर्गेनाइज कर पाएंगे तब उनका वैल्यू बढ़ जाता है. Unorganized data means nothing. Organized data has more value, 1,000 times more value than an unorganized data. To our brain to understand, I'll also explain how exactly our brain works, because this is very, very powerful. You should know how to use your brain to rewind yourself. Okay, you can do it yourself. It's all about technique. Okay, it's just that we don't know this technique. Please, I request all of you to go on mute. It's not just you alone. I request all the other co-hosts to please take care of this. The moment we have somebody unmuting and talking, please go on mute. We have other people who are spending their valuable time. Let's respect them. We are here for a purpose. All of you are investing your time. Let's maintain the self-discipline. I want to give more, because just if I'm stopping this and I'm talking about this, all of you are losing this time. Okay, please, please, please. It's not about me, it's about all of you. Okay, so have this very clear thing: social vision, personal vision, and professional vision. Why we have to write it in this fashion? There is a rationale behind it. So how I'm going to relate exactly how our brain works, and then I'll connect with this. Okay, so why we should know how our brain works? That is a fundamental question. Okay, let me start with this. Okay, let me explain that before I come here, before I explain this. Okay, I have a very good day today. I like the day today, and I want to gift an awesome gift to all of you. Okay, and that gift is that I want to gift Ferrari cars to all of you. How about that? Do you like that? I want to gift Ferrari car to all of you. If you like it, please express this. Please express this in the chat. If you can't enjoy the short, good moments in your life, you can never be successful. You got to enjoy. Yeah, so all of you are getting, whether it happens really or not, I don't care. I'll tell you how the brain works. When you are actually start looking at certain things which you don't have, right? When you start focusing on don't have, you'll never be able to successful. You assume that you already have it. Then your brain will start thinking that how do I make it work, right? Fantastic, very happy, right? Now, because all of you have been received with the Ferrari car, now I'm going to put everybody who is attending the session today into a race. Okay, everybody who is attending the session into a race. And that's, if you start getting into it, Assume that you are into a race. For a minute, assume that you are into a race, right? And once you start driving it, okay, and all of you are going to participating, and how many of you will win this race? How many of you will win this race? Me, Prasad says, Shweta says me, wow. Sunil says me, yeah. Of course, everybody wants to win, right? Now, that's very good to know, okay? Let's understand the reality. In reality, how many persons can win it? How many persons can win it? Rupesh says 1. Prakar says 1. Vinay says 1. Correct? Voice is not audible? Is that the voice is not audible? It's audible, right? Okay, fine. So yeah, basically, no matter who is the winner, all of you are winner because you have participated in this, but there will be only one winner who will be the first. Okay, I see a couple of people raising a hand. You can actually type in your questions in the chat. Okay, so we'll give the chance for all of you to write the questions. I mean, ask the questions. Okay, now only one person can be winner. Why is that? When everybody has been given a Ferrari car, only one person is a winner. Can you think about it? Can you think about it? Write the answer. Why? Striving skills. Pritipal says bringing the maximum potential out of it. Absolutely. Sunil says the person who drives faster. Absolutely. And please be a little louder. Is it okay? I'll try to be slightly louder. Is it better now? He was smarter, the one who knows how to drive. Absolutely, yes, Shweta. So Atish says yes. Now it's very clearly says it's not about the car, it's about the driver. Okay, it's about the driver and his driving skills. It never about the car. Why I'm telling this? Can we go on mute, please? Thank you. Yeah. So why I'm quoting this? Because all of you have been gifted with Ferrari car already. That Ferrari car is your mind. Now the question is, if when the Ferrari car is given to you, why are you driving in the metro traffic, in your city traffic? For example, I am from Bangalore. Why are you driving it in Bangalore traffic? Similarly, if you are coming from Chennai, Mumbai, whichever city you are coming from, why are you driving it in the metro traffic? To drive the Ferrari car, you have to drive it in the track in which it can operate with the maximum speed. Now, why I'm telling this analogy is very, very important. If you don't understand this analogy, what I'm trying to understand, what I'm trying to explain, you'll not be able to associate with this. Okay, so you're going to have a social vision, you're going to have a personal vision, and you're going to have a professional vision. So you're going to write this, all these things here. आपको क्या करना है, सामाजिक दृष्टि से आपको क्या क्या करना है, आप उसको एक इसमें लिखेंगे. वो हो गया सोशल विजन. अपना पर्सनल लाइफ में आप क्या क्या करना चाहते हैं, वो हो गया पर्सनल विजन. प्रोफेशनल विजन में आप अपना बिजनेस या आपका करियर का कुछ भी चीज है उसको आप वहां पे लिख सकते हैं. आई विल गिव एन एग्जांपल. सोशल विजन, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, you want to help some 10,000 people, or you want to sponsor education for one kid, doesn't matter. You want to sponsor the education for one kid, or you want to give a meal for one person, it doesn't matter. It's not about the quantity, it's about the giving. Okay, it's about giving. So first you have to focus on social vision. Okay, you categorize whatever you've written, you got to categorize it here. Clear? Whatever the initially you have written, you got to categorize it. The second one comes the personal vision. In personal vision, don't write I want to get promoted. That's not your personal vision. Personal vision is, or a family vision, personal, or rather you can write it as your family vision. What do you want in your life? How much time you want to spend with your family? How you want your life to be? How you want to take your life to a next level? What are the things that you want to look at? how much time you want to spend with your family. For example, you want to take your family for some vacation once in a year, you can write it. Or you want to all those things you can write it here. Personal vision. The next one we have is the professional vision is if you are doing a business, what is your business goal, how much you are actually looking at. If you are actually if you are a professional person, what do you want your salary to be, what do you want, your all other activity, you can write it here. Professional vision, everything you can write it. Business, what do you want to take it. And why we are writing it in this sequence, we'll do this exercise. Okay, we'll do this exercise because I told you the whole idea is that your Ferrari car has to drive at the maximum speed. That's how you win the race. Why I'm taking the example of a race, right? Race is very beautiful thing because you have a goal for a race when you're actually reaching it, correct? And when you're actually start walking towards the goal, then only you can win the race. If you start walking on the other side, your screen is, you are supposed to be going 100 meters, probably your goal is 100 meters. If you actually walk in the reverse direction, every day you're going away. That means instead of 100 meters, you will end up covering more distance. It is very important you got to walk in a direction where you want your life to be. Clear? Is the instructions clear? Is the instructions clear? If the instructions are clear, type in Crystal. It's very simple. It's nothing, we are just making it simple. So all of you are going to have around 3 minutes. Is 3 minutes sufficient? Or you need more time? Let me know. How much time do you need? 3 minutes. Do you think it is sufficient? 5 minutes. Okay, let's do one thing. Sunil says 3 minutes. Okay, let's start with 3 minutes. If you are not done, then let me know. I'll extend it by another 2 minutes. Okay. So, and your time starts now.
Wait a minute, 지금부터 선수끼리 밤이 아까워 Turn up louder 불타오르는 아름다운 그대여 How you like me now? 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 Hey, where'd you get that body from? Where'd you get that body from? Where'd you get that body from? I got it from my dad. Lions in the wild, like lions in the wild, like lions in the wild.
3 minutes over. Do you need more time? If you need more time, just type in. We'll have 2 more minutes. Not beyond that, then we'll get started. More time needed. Okay, 2 more minutes, and then we are going to stop this. Okay, hurry up quickly. Thirty more seconds. Stop. So we are done with the timing that we are given. Okay, stop it. Now, is that, even though if you're not able to complete, that's okay. You can do it later. For those of you, understand the technique, that is important. Okay, so that you can repeat it again. There may be chance that some of you may not be able to complete the entire thing. So the key is to learn the technique and use this technique and repeat it, so that you can actually arrive at a very clear goal that you want to accomplish. Okay, so you should not be stopping till you are satisfied that, okay, this is what I have to do it. Okay, it's okay to change it later, but don't assume that, okay, I don't think so and other stuff, and stop. If you start only doing that, then you'll have a problem. Start with what you have got. Okay, remember what I've told you. Perfection never exists. It's only a journey. Okay, so if you want to sit and start defining, you'll never be able to start ahead, because once you put what you have in your mind and start taking action on this, then the next step will be revealed to you. Your mind is going to guide you. The universe is going to guide you. Okay, so don't worry how you're going to do it. Now, the first thing is what you want to do is important. What you have written now, is that so far clear? अब तक जो भी मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया है वो क्लियर हो गया? क्योंकि हमने जो किया था एक्सरसाइज, उसमें हमने बताया था कि आपको ऐसे कि 3 लिखना है. एक होगा सामाजिक विजन, अदर वन होगा अपना विजन. अपना बोले तो फैमिली का विजन है, अदर वन इज प्रोफेशनल विजन. ये तीनों का हमें लिखना चाहिए. तो इसको लिखने के अगर हम इसको लिख सकते हैं तो अभी क्या हो जाएगा, वॉट एवर इज इन योर ब्रेन, आपके दिमाग में जो था वो पहले हमने पेपर के ऊपर डाल दिया, एंड वो भी अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड बेस में हमने डाल दिया. उसको अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड बेस में डालने के बाद वी आर गोइंग टू मेक इट ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. वो स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में हम उसको डाल रहे हैं. जब हम इसको स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में डालते हैं तब वो क्लियर होता जाता है. जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको सब कुछ एक ही एक्सरसाइज में हो जाएगा, लेकिन यू विल बी, इफ अंडरस्टैंड द टेक्निक को आप समझिए. अगर इस टेक्निक को आप सही तरह से समझ पाएंगे, आपको अगेन एंड अगेन आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं एंड अगेन इसको रिफाइन कर सकते हैं. सी, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज इज दैट people think what you written on your paper is final one. No. What I have seen based on my experiences, today you have written something, and when you start working on this, you will figure out that because you are a lot more clear with what you want to achieve. People are following the process. I'm telling you personally, my experiences, when I started, my vision was small. When I started using this technique, when I started implementing it, my vision has become very big. Okay, so it is okay if your vision changes, but don't wait for the vision to change later. Okay, now start with this. That's for only later point. Now, no, Rana, please don't record it. I don't suggest you to record it, but please take note, and we'll figure out how you can help us out if you are stuck with this. Okay, so don't worry. We'll find a way to help you guys out, because we want people to come and attend this live training. Because I'll tell you one thing, people will see only half bits and pieces and they'll try to implement. You'll never get the success. You need to understand the whole process end to end. आपको समझना चाहिए. अगर पूरा पिक्चर नहीं देखना चाहते, अगर आप सिर्फ ट्रेलर देख के या ओनली सर्टेन पोर्शन ऑफ द पिक्चर आप देख के आप इसको करेंगे तो यूज नहीं होगा. इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ, if you want to get the maximum benefit out of it, please participate. If you are not getting the help of anywhere, which portion you are not able to help, you need more help, we'll give you the feedback form. All of you, please write down. Okay, you got to write it down when you are doing this exercise. Okay, in this section you are not clear, in this section you are not clear, please write it down right now. Okay, don't wait till the end. In your notebook, you keep one paper, okay, only for questions, and start writing down all this question. We'll give you question and answer session. You can ask those questions, we'll answer, and we'll also have a feedback form. Make sure you put that and tell us where you need more help from our side. We'll try to help you out in a different way. Okay, I'll tell you, this is not going to help you just by recording it. Understand the process, understand the technique. We are doing this purely for helping you out. We'll go extra mile to help you out. That's okay. Okay, but I need to know what exactly you need and where exactly you're stuck, because there's no point in telling you whatever I know. I should tell you what you need, then you will get maximum benefit out of it. Correct? Fine. Then now we have got three things. Hoga: social vision, personal vision, and the other one will be the professional vision. These three will be there. So why we are categorizing on this? Now let me ask you this question rather than me telling this. How many of you feel that family is important? Type in. How many of you feel that family is important? Prakar says me. Yeah. Rumana says, yeah. Atul, Sunil, Bharat, Yadvesh, Amit, Girish, Swaroop, Spandana, Rohit, very important. Satish, Upendra, Shweta, Yadnesh, Vinay, Gauri, Pritapal Singh, Nikita. Please, when you're replying with all actually, okay? Don't reply to me separately. Put it on the group so everybody knows, okay? And SN, everybody, right? Do you think without spending a family life on the deathbed, will you be happy actually? You know why I've taken the visualization exercise of on the deathbed? Because this is the only time, no matter whom you are, okay? Rich person, poor person, good person, bad person, doesn't matter. This is the only time the person will tell you the truth. The person who is dying will never lie. Correct? That's the fact. Because they have nothing else to lose. Anyway, they're living the life, they only will speak truth. So you can't go wrong with this technique. Okay? The only way you can go wrong with the technique is you visualize something, you're writing something. You pursue something. Now, you want your personal or family is important. Now, let me ask you one question. How much time are you spending your family consistently every day? How much of your time, irrespective of your work schedule? So if the work is coming, what will happen? Correct? Are you getting the depth of my question? Are you scheduling? Yeah, this is less, correct? Less time. Sunil says you want to spend, but you are spending less. Correct? Am I correct? You want to spend more time with your family, but currently you are not able to spend more time. Yeah, probably due to lockdown, you're able to spend more time. Otherwise, yeah, Atul says, I spend good time after my job. Good, Atul. If you are able to spend, that's good. Very nice. Like, it's 30 minutes, Prakar. Absolutely. Each one of us have different things. Maybe now we are heavily family, yeah, missing family time generally. Absolutely. So whether you agree or not, this is the fact. Only a handful people will be able to agree that yes, they are doing it. But otherwise, most of the people are not doing it currently. So how can you be successful if you're not spending time with your family? Yeah, all are busy in webinars nowadays. Rumana, I'll tell you, don't worry. I'll tell you these different techniques which you can apply, which is going to make your life easier. It will not happen overnight. Yeah, but if you follow the process in the right way, you're definitely going to get whatever time you're spending, you can spend more time compared to that. Okay. Now we are going to we talked about social vision. The social vision, why we are actually looking at the social vision is important. So how many of you like to help a lot of other people? Type in. See, if I take out your money part again, yeah. So Rana says me, Gauri says me, Vinay says me, Prakar, Shweta says, Sunil says, Pratipal says, Rohit says, Rumana says, Amit says, yeah, Spandana says, and Prasann Kumar. Okay, Prasann Kumar says, everybody says yes. Everybody wants to do it. Now let me ask you one question. Maybe you've gone and helped some people when somebody has come and asked you, correct? Few of you might have helped. Few of you might have not even cared about helping it. That's a different thing. For those of you, helping in what sense? Helping can be anything, okay? It could be giving the time. It could be giving money. It could be giving blessings. Anything could be, anything that you are giving is very powerful thing. Okay, helping means that one. Or you could be teaching somebody on something which you don't know, which the other person don't know, but you are able to teach him and helping them out. Now tell me, when you help somebody else, yeah, knowledge sharing and everything, when you help somebody else, how will you feel like? Will you feel amazed? Will you feel happy? Will you feel very happy? Satisfied? Yes, absolutely. Correct. You feel very happy, relaxed, everything, right? Satisfaction, very happy, absolutely. This is the ultimate state of happiness. You will get maximum when you start helping the people, right? Now we bought the feeling by helping. Yeah, you actually get all those good thoughts. So why I'm talking about this one? Remember what I talked about, the Ferrari car driving in the metro city? In metro city, what we have got is a traffic jam. There is a congestion which is there. So you are not able to drive it in a faster way in which you are looking at. So these congestions are different, some small hurdles which is stopping you to go with that speed. When you focus on your social vision, when you start focusing on helping others, these small congestions disappears. Yeah, rather than saying disappears, you will learn the art of removing those hurdles by solving the, how do I take it out, how do I take it out, how do I take it out, then you'll be able to clear the traffic jam very fast. So when you're able to clear the traffic jam, you don't need to do anything. The Ferrari car is already capable of it. You are going to drive the maximum speed, provided you have your driving skills right. If you don't have your driving skills right, you'll end up doing an accident. Now what we are going to do is, what we are going to focus on is, we are going to clear the traffic jam and also make sure your driving skills are made very intact and powerful. So why this is important? Not just clearing the traffic jam, but also to make sure we are having a very powerful method to start doing it. Okay, so is that, are you getting it? Social vision is mandatory, absolutely. In fact, so not only mandatory, this should become your first exercise. Okay, so this should be your first priority as against personal vision and as against the professional vision that we are talking about. Okay, so is this clear? Is the instructions very clear? If it is clear, type in Crystal. हम जो कर रहे हैं 3 चीज में कर रहे हैं, सोशल विजन में कैसे कर रहे हैं, पर्सनल में कैसे कर रहे हैं एंड प्रोफेशनल में कैसे कर रहे हैं। ये कैटेगराइजेशन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, बिकॉज व्हेन यू आर क्लियर विद दिस कैटेगराइजेशन, हमारा ब्रेन जो है, जो लाइक फेरारी कार है, उसको हमें मैक्सिमम स्पीड में हमको उसको दौड़ाना है। एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, जब हम उसको ड्राइव कर रहे हैं कोई एक्सीडेंट ना हो जाए। ओके, दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट। इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू गो विद द मैक्सिमम स्पीड, तब हमें प्रॉब्लम होगा। ठीक है, तो हमें क्या करना है, उसको मैक्सिमम स्पीड में अगर दौड़ाना है, तो देन वी हैव टू make sure that the car is actually to clear the traffic jam, the social vision should be placed first. The second thing comes your personal vision, and uske baad mein aega your professional vision. The beauty is the way, if you follow my system, the follow my approach, whatever I'm teaching you, you will focus on your social vision, you will be focusing on your personal vision. Professional vision automatically happens. How about that? How about that? Did you like that? If that happens, do you like that? You must be kidding. Because you don't know, Gauri, you don't know the magic of the system and process. If you do that, your professional vision is taken care. How about that? If I teach you that technique of starting with the social vision and focusing on your personal vision, and then your professional vision is automatically taken care. That's the beauty, right? So now it's a time for the break, 11:32 currently. So what we are going to do is 11:32 to 11:42 will be the break, and after 11:42 we'll be back. So we'll have Chauhan sir who will be actually for 15 minutes time. Chauhan sir will actually give you a memory demo. Remember what we talked about? It's all about technique. Okay, it's all about technique. If you're not able to achieve something, it's just because you don't know the technique. That's it, nothing beyond that. So he is going to demonstrate one memory technique, and after that we will come in and start going in deeper into these 3 segments: social vision, personal vision, and also on the society vision. So these are all very, very powerful. So don't miss. Now the time is 11:32. Please make sure you're coming back in 10 minutes time. So 11:40, okay, 11:33. I'm going to give you till 11:44. Okay, don't miss the time, because if you miss it, you would be missing an important lesson. You don't know that one important mission. You know, this could be very, very powerful. Okay, and it's the time for break. Go ahead and take your break. Come back at exactly 11:44, 11 minutes from now. Thank you. Bye.